Hi, this is Derek with Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we're going over a bit about these 2015 Subaru WRX STI cylinder heads. We got them in today, and we've already pulled them all apart and kind of gone over them. But the stuff that we saw was pretty out there. Some people are doing some work at home and don't know what they're doing. So, anyways, we're just going to show you what that looks like. We got a broken off guide in here. This thing just snapped off. You got the valve stem seal. That's the rest of the guide in the head down in there. Yeah, right there. And this little piece just snapped right off. And as it took a while of pounding to get this valve out, but somehow they managed to bend the bottom of this. It goes straight here, and then it bends off to the side. Don't know exactly how that happened yet, but you know, they also, I mean, these things tighten up as you run them. Especially on the exhaust side, they're going to tighten up to this valve lifter. It's going to keep pushing up, and then it's going to have the cam lobe right there. When your clearance reaches 0, you get a misfire. And this thing only has 49,000 miles on it, so it's still a fairly new engine. I don't know why they'd have any issues with that. Still curious to find out. But if you look at the tip of these valves, they got in there with a grinding tool and just ground that down, probably to make the clearance you know, from 0 to somewhere where it's not going to misfire. But you got a rounded tip there. Your contact's going to be all wonky. Really shoddy job they had going on here. But finally they wised up and they brought it to us here. They've also trimmed the inner diameter, or the inside of this lifter cup, which is where the valve tip touches as it moves up and down against the cam. But this is a new valve. And this is what it's supposed to look like. A nice, flat, clean top. You know, you can do that with a valve grinder if you got one. That's definitely the way to go, instead of getting a Dremel tool and going in there. You know, you got to reach in there. You risk damaging all this area, you know, and it's just a high-risk deal. But like I said, these guys have wised up, and they brought it to us, and we can fix this thing right. They also went and they got some GSC power division parts. It's like a stage 2 deal. But they got some stage 2 cams, some brand new valves, keeper spring set up. It's going to turn out pretty sweet. Anyways, thank you for watching our video today. We hope you like and subscribe, and hit that bell notification button to get all our notifications. And have a great day. Remember, it's all in your head.